Adding a GIF to your Mailchimp email can make your content more engaging and visually appealing. Here's how to do it. Log into Mailchimp. Visit Mailchimp's website and log into your account. Create or edit a campaign. Go to the Campaigns tab and either create a new campaign or select an existing one to edit. Access the email editor. Click on Design Email to enter the email editor. Add a new content block. In the email editor, click on Add Content in the left sidebar. Drag and drop an image content block into your email layout where you want the GIF to appear. Upload the GIF. Click on the image block you added to open the content editor. Click Browse to upload the GIF from your computer, or drag and drop the GIF into the upload area. Insert a GIF. After uploading, select the GIF and click Insert to add it to your email. Adjust and save. Resize or reposition the GIF if needed. Click Save and Close to apply your changes. Preview and test. Click Preview and Test to ensure the GIF displays correctly in different email clients.